My name is Renu Chaudhary. My husband and I love to travel across the world to try different cuisines. But the only drawback of all this is that when we come back, all the extra holiday weight, how to lose that? It's always been a struggle for me. I've tried so many diets, gone off food, but it's always come back. Recently, I came across this wonderful product by Preserva Wellness called Weight Watchers Tea. It's made out of an incredible ingredient, curcumin. Curcumin is the active extract of turmeric. It does not generate heat and keeps your body cool, and you can have it throughout the year. Tea contains curcumin, orange pekoe, green tea, hibiscus, guarana and cinnamon. Cinnamon adds a beautiful aroma to this blend and ensures that curcumin is absorbed into the body. And this Weight Watchers tea ensures that fat is metabolized in the body and you manage your weight well. I love having this tea twice a day and love its tangy taste and aroma. If you like it a little sweet, add a dash of honey. Go try it.